The purpose of this screen recording is to train on how to import graphics into ProPresenter. So graphics with Northstar are usually disseminated using Box. Sometimes you can get them from the newsletter if they're not in Box for whatever reason. This is a service that you have to have a login for to get access to Northstar stuff, but Dave should be able to sort that out if you need a login. Northstar Graphics, usually the current month is what they're under. Dave has told me that he has uploaded a graphic that will be during the message time, which is What's Your Story by Candy Taylor. So I'm going to take this and download it. And the process is the same for videos. I'm going to click this arrow here. You could also click File, Save As. I tend to click the arrow and change the Where to ProPresenter Graphics. Because the way ProPresenter works is the files have to always be in the same place or it won't be able to find them. So now that I've downloaded my graphic and put it in the correct file, I'm going to reopen ProPresenter. I'm going to click the Video Image tab, and here's what the Video Image tab looks like. You can drag it and make it bigger. I have it sorted. There's stills, which are backgrounds, which we don't really use anymore now, but there they are should you need them. There's long-term graphics. These are graphics that we tend to use often that we might want to refer to. Temporary graphics are things that aren't used so often, like the one that Dave has for this Sunday. So I'm going to click this arrow right here, and it opens up a way to get it. It automatically opens up ProPresenter. I click the graphic. You can select multiples at a time if there are more graphics that need to be imported into ProPresenter. I'm going to click Open, and it's going to put it right there. We have to scale it correctly, so I'm going to right-click, Media Properties, and I'm going to do Scale to Fit. That puts it in the correct scaling. Images, this might not matter as much depending on the scale, but videos, you really want to make sure that they're scaled to fit. So now that that is done, I'm going to make this a smaller size. I'm going to go over here to Message because this is going to be at some point during the message. I'm assuming Dave's outline on Sunday will let us know. And I can just drag it right here and hit the video image thing to get that bar to go away. And then it's there ready to be clicked on when it's time for Candy to share her story. So that is how to import graphics. The similar process is used should there be a new thing to be added to announcements. A thing I forgot to mention in the last video is how to do a timer on these. So these automatically, I have the timers already loaded on there, but how to do a timer is you would right-click the image and go to Next Timer. And that's, we use 6 seconds. Don't ask me why, but we use 6 seconds. So that's how you add a timer. This one automatically loops back to the beginning. And I believe that's also here. Yeah, see, loop to beginning is selected. So that's how you create the loop for it to go back to the beginning of the announcements playlist. All right.